Kiwi Swiss now. Okay, NZD Swiss. Similar to all the other similar to all the other Swiss pairs. Very bearish. Sorry. Oh man, it's late. I'm tired today. Yeah, very bearish, and I think you're still good for your short. I think the price just has to come up. It's just been really slow. I want it to come up to an area before an area of significance before I short it. I mean, you can't really. It's kind of printing one now, actually, on a 4-hour. You can see. Might actually be pretty good now, to be honest. It's not usually I would wait for like a daily confirmation, but I mean, this looks pretty good now. You can see a lot of from Monday. I mean, there's a lot of bearish momentum, came basically straight down. You know, a couple pullbacks a little bit, but then just broke right back down. So now it's really holding below this zone. So I would say you're probably pretty good. All you have to do is wait for some more confirmation. So right now it's sitting in this zone, and it seems like it's rejecting it, but you wouldn't want to short it yet. You want to just kind of wait. So like this is actually a very good sign. You can see that price came down, came back up, and made a lower high, and now it's pretty much making the same high now, but it already made a lower low. So if this makes a lower low now, or if we look at a different time frame here, yeah, this doesn't tell us much. Yeah, this 30-minute looks pretty strong still. So, but price is way below this, even the 30-minute moving average. So I mean, there's not a whole lot of bullish momentum in this. If price is below every moving average, then I mean it's not very bullish. So this is actually a good sign. So what you could do is wait, because price is above the 5-minute and the 15-minute. You can wait for momentum to switch and price to cross over one of these smaller time frames. So basically you set an alert like I'm about to do, and when price crosses this moving average on the 15-minute, which is a relatively short moving average, and I don't use it often, but then you can tell, because on all the other time frames the bearish momentum is already in play. You can see prices way below the 1 hour, even the 30-minute, the 4-hour, the daily, all those ones. It's just the 15 minutes not. So there's basically a little bit of temporary bullish momentum right now, is what this tells me. Because even before, price was way below way below this moving average, and now it's just broken above it. So yeah, let price break below this moving average again, and then you're probably good to short it. And hopefully it's close to this zone, and then you just set your stop above all these wicks, something like this, and you're good to go. So let price, it's gonna have to come down out of this zone first, and then maybe retest it a little bit. I mean, you could short it now, but you're just banking on it not breaking above these previous highs here, this one, and you're banking on the fact that the bearish momentum is going to come back into play overall, which it is, but there is some temporary bull momentum. You can see it's pulling up pretty good on like the 15-minute, although this 15-minute candle just closed in like a doji in this area. So, and this is a lower low than here and here, or lower high, sorry. So I think you might actually be really good to enter right now. I might enter this right now, to be honest. I think this is a very good entry. I would take this right now. Everything's kind of aligning. I mean, there's a chance you take this entry right now, and then you just target this whole monthly range down to 52, and you might get close to a 20R, which would be pretty crazy, but I've done it lots of times. I think it's almost easier to get these big trades. You just have to wait for a perfect entry instead of being, you know, really anxious and just trying to get in on whatever you can. You just wait for something perfect. You could even wait for this 1 hour candle to close, wait another 40 minutes. Let's see how this, if this 1 hour candle closes, you know, with like a doji or bearish or a big wick kind of thing. You got 10 minutes left on the 30-minute, 10 minutes left on this 15. So yeah, you could wait a little bit longer if you want, but as far as this 15-minute candle goes, like this previous candle that just closed, I would say you're probably pretty good to enter this Kiwi Swiss pair. So yeah, that's my take on NZD Swiss. I think it's a good short literally right now, or if you want to wait a little bit, let price come back out of this zone and show you that the bears are here for good, then you can wait for that as well. Or if you want to just pray that price comes back up to this area to short, which I don't think it will, but it might. So either way, those are all good positions to take. I think as long as you're shorting this, you'll be good to go, because it's very bearish and it just continues to go lower and lower. So that is Kiwi Swiss.